What's up guys, how's everyone doing? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. Now obviously, this is not a new product. This product is over a year old. The Series 8 is the newest Apple Watch, but there was a deal on Walmart for $250 for the Apple Watch Series 7, brand new in box sealed. Because I haven't gotten a new one myself since 2015 when the original came out, this was a deal that I couldn't pass up. In this unboxing, I was kind of confused because I completely forgot that Apple did away with their shrink wrapping, and so I was expecting plastic wrap to actually take off of the packaging. However, nowadays Apple doesn't do that, and it's pull tabs and it's various other different things. It's a very interesting way that they package their products now. Here it is, Series 7 in Clover Green, and taking the watch out of the protective case, it looks beautiful. Now here's the watch bands. And this thing is gonna look pretty nice. So, of course, setting up the Apple Watch Series 7 is going to be the exact same setup process as a regular Apple Watch is. Side note, I did also realize that my Apple Watch came in the box completely dead, and it needed to be charged for probably a good half hour to hour before it was ready to go. However, if I had to guess, I would say likely the reason is because this watch has been sitting in a warehouse somewhere collecting dust for the past year. But if you're gonna get sealed old tech that's been sitting in a warehouse somewhere for a bit, I guess that's just something you might have to deal with. And now it says connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. It's just gonna go through whatever the regular setup process for the Apple Watch is. If you've had an Apple Watch in the past, you know what to expect. It's talking about the fact that there's an always-on display for the Series 7, which is awesome. Definitely looking forward to using that a lot. And now we just have to wait until the Apple Watch is done syncing and the setup process is complete. And the watch is now set up, and here we are. Honestly, I think the Clover Green color looks really nice, and I'm happy with how this looks. The Apple Watch Series 7 has a couple of new notable features that the previous models don't have. The Series 7 has a bezel-less off-screen design, and it also has an always-on display. These are probably the two biggest features of the Series 7. It's also more durable, and it has faster charging speeds in addition to a faster processor and everything that you're used to between watch series to watch series. Over the last 8 years, Apple has made a bunch of improvements between the original Apple Watch and the Apple Watch Series 7 and 8. It's faster, it's snappier, and it's just a better experience all the way around. I love the way that this watch looks, and it's definitely a great upgrade from the original Apple Watch. Anyway, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thanks everyone so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button. Also, go ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so that way you never miss out on a brand new upload. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one, guys. Peace.